Hi friends, welcome to a brand new vlog of Judos Dhamaka. This is your host and those Judos. So I have watched the docu-series Angry Young Men on Amazon Prime Video based on the lives of the legendary script writing duo of Bollywood, Salim and Javed, Salim Khan and Javed Akhtar. It is directed by Namrata Rao and produced by Salman Khan Films and Excel Entertainment. We see the rise, the formation of the formidable duo of Javed Akhtar and Salim Khan in this series. How they met, Javed Akhtar's childhood, Salim Khan's childhood, Javed Akhtar's life as an assistant director. Salim Khan was an actor, and then suddenly things changed and they joined together and created Salim Javed, the superstar writing duo of Indian movies. And in this context, we also see bites from different people of Indian film industry and also many movie buffs and film critics. जावेद अख्तर और सलीम खान की जो इंटरव्यू है वो सुनने में तो अच्छा लगा ही. सलमान खान, आमिर खान, करण जौहर, ऋतिक रोशन, इन लोगों का बाइट भी हमने सुना. करीना कपूर्स बाइट वाज देयर एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर वर धर्मेंद्र, अमिताभ बच्चन, शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा, हेमा मालिनी, जया बच्चन and others. They wrote for 24 movies and 22 of those movies were hit, from Sita Aur Geeta, Andaz,
Salim and Javed.
So they were looking for a proper click, and somebody told that Ramesh Sippy is building a department for writers. Khar, they have opened a new office in Khar in Mumbai. So they went there and उन्होंने कहा 750 रुपए से तुम स्टार्ट करो, अगर अच्छा लगे 3 महीने के लिए हम देखेंगे, अगर अच्छा लगे then we will increase it to ₹1,000. But they wrote so many movies for CP Films and they were always paid ₹750 per month. And those movies were Andaz. Now Andaz का एक किस्सा है जो यहाँ पर बताया नहीं गया. During Andaz, when actually Andaz was decided,
Shami Kapoor was selected as a lead hero and Hema Malini as a lead heroine, but when Andaz commenced, Rajesh Khanna was at that time already the #1 superstar of India. So somebody said that we should take Rajesh Khanna, and Rajesh Khanna joined the cast of Andaz, and we all know the super hit song Zindagi Ek Safar Hai Suhana.
And the movie was also a blockbuster hit. Then came Sita Aur Geeta.
डॉपलगैंगर और ट्विन के थीम पर बहुत सारी किताबें हैं, मूवीज है, पर दिस वाज कंप्लीटली इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम दिलीप कुमार स्टारर मूवी राम और श्याम. एंड देन इन 1975 on 15th August released a movie that changed the course of Hindi masala movies, Sholay, based on Seven Samurai, which was again remade in Hollywood as The Magnificent Seven, and many other spaghetti cowboy movies. This movie, I don't need to say anything about it. It's a landmark. From the dialogues, the performances, everything was blockbuster, and still it is. पहले तो इस मूवी की बजट थी 1 करोड़ रुपए, लेकिन जब ये मूवी खत्म हुई तो बजट बन गया 3 करोड़ रुपए. Danny Dengzongpa was initially offered the role of Gabbar Singh, then it went to Amjad Khan as he was suggested by Salim. But Salim Javed were quite reluctant to use Amjad Khan's voice because they felt that his voice didn't have that power which was needed. But Ramesh Sippy said no. And we all know the rest is history. Actually, when the movie released on 15th of August 1925, the initial response was quite lukewarm. And the crew members started discussing that they should change the ending. Amitabh Bachchan shouldn't have died in the movie, etc., etc. But Ramesh Sippy said Let's wait till Monday and then we will think about it. In the meantime, Salim and Javed gave ad in trade magazines that Sholay is gonna become a super hit movie, and from Monday the game changed.
In this context, I want to say that Salim Khan said, "We didn't deny. We have taken inspiration from many movies, but we didn't deny anything." जंजीर के बारे में अगर आप कहें, then मदर इंडिया, गंगा जमुना एक ही टाइप का स्टोरी था, पर उन्होंने कहा the execution was such great, people loved it madly. Zanjeer. Now, Prakash Mehra approached all the top stars from Dilip Kumar, Rajkumar, Devanand, Dharmendra, and all of them declined that role, and Prakash Mehra was quite agitated.
पर बॉम्बे टू गोवा में एक सीन था जहां पे बहुत स्टाइलिश वे में अमिताभ बच्चन ने शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा को फाइट किया, एंड इवेंचुअली ही बिकेम जंजीर्स विजय,
and a star was born, Vijay. ये पुलिस चौकी है, तुम्हारा बाप का घर नहीं. And all the dialogues were super hit. एक के बाद एक 10 हिट मूवी देने के बाद फिर आई एक मूवी ईमान धर्म, डायरेक्टेड बाय देश मुखर्जी, which starred अमिताभ बच्चन, शशि कपूर, संजीव कुमार, अपर्णा सेन and others. But that movie bombed at the box office, and they said that they made some mistake. Javed Akhtar said that अगर रोटी में आप नमक देंगे थोड़ा सा तो वो टेस्टी बन जाएगा. हमने क्या किया, नमक वाली रोटी बना दी. नमक इतनी ज्यादा हो गई कि पब्लिक को वो पसंद नहीं आई मूवी. पर उसके बाद और भी कई मूवीज उन्होंने हिट दी, लगभग 10 मूवी. Javed Akhtar's ex-wife said during that time, after giving 10 blockbuster hits, there was a significant change in their behavior, their arrogance. We also saw Helen in this docu-feature.
इतने सारे लोगों के इंटरव्यू देखे, पर मिथुन चक्रवर्ती हु इज अ फैमिली फ्रेंड ऑफ सलीम खान, उनका कोई बाइट नहीं दिखा. दिस इज क्वाइट सरप्राइजिंग. और एक फैक्ट है, एक बार सलीम खान ने मिथुन चक्रवर्ती से कहा यश चोपड़ा इज लुकिंग फॉर अ यंग एक्टर फॉर हिज अपकमिंग मूवी. तो वो जब गए देखा कि ऑलरेडी ये दूसरा एक्टर को चांस मिल गया, एंड दैट एक्टर वाज सचिन, एंड द मूवी वाज त्रिशूल. ये सब ट्रिविया अगर होते तो और भी मजेदार होता ये शो.
दर दर के ठोकरे खाना, रास्ते में सोना, struggling days, those things have been nicely captured in this series. धर्मेंद्र का जब बाइट सुना, धर्मेंद्र was a hero of a movie where जावेद अख्तर was an AD. जब वो धर्मेंद्र को आकर स्क्रिप्ट दिया and all the pages were jumbled, एक के बाद 5, 5 के बाद 2, so धर्मेंद्र he was quite angry. एंड वो उन्होंने फेंक कर बोला ठीक से ला के दो भाई. पर उन्होंने बाद में कहा मैंने क्यों उनको डांटा, वो स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज धर्मेंद्र हैड टू स्ट्रगल अ लॉट टू बिकम अ सुपरस्टार. बहुत सारे किस्से हैं,
पर ये सारे किस्से मुझे मालूम थे. स्टिल दिस इज अ फिटिंग ट्रिब्यूट टू द लेजेंडरी राइटर्स ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा, सलीम एंड जावेद. इट्स अ ट्रू ग्रेट ट्रिब्यूट. और एक बात कहना चाहता हूं, सलीम जावेद दे वर सो पॉपुलर, उनके नाम लेकर बांग्लादेश में मूवी हुआ था 1981, सलीम जावेद.
आई लव द शो.
पर जैसा मैंने बताया, सिंस सलीम एंड जावेद दे आर द लेजेंडरी राइटर्स, तो उनके बारे में सभी इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है. स्टिल एन एंजॉयबल शो.
So this was my review of Angry Young Men. Hope you have liked my video. Then do like, share, subscribe my channel, and also like and follow my Facebook page Judos Dhamaka. I'll be back in the next episode with a new dose of entertainment, new dose of Dhamaka. Hasta la vista, Judos Dhamaka. Let's do the Dhamaka.